For this piece, I began by improvising in a comp lab. I looked at my painting and took everything that I saw, from the sky to the trees to the little boat at the bottom, and I used these as points of inspiration while dancing. After looking back on my video, I pulled movement that I liked to create a couple phrases using devices and material that I had learned from past studies. I used these phrases to create two sections, my tree section and my pier section. I feel these were the easiest to create just because they had qualities of groundedness like I use in my everyday dancing. After creating these sections though, I got a little stuck. So I decided to dive into the history of my painting. I learned that Smith's painting was an 1800s Impressionist painting, and I got so excited. My artist brain turned on and I started asking questions like, what medium did he use? What was the process of his painting? Where was he when he painted this? When did he get stuck? And as I asked these questions, I started dancing more as the painter and less as depicting the painting. This ended up creating the arc of my dance. I flipped back and forth between the painter and the painting. I had moments of stillness, slowness, and 3/4 when I was depicting the painter, and I had moments of 5/8 and free strength when I was depicting the painting. As for my title, I honestly had no clue in the beginning. However, during my feedback, I learned a lot. I asked the question, how can I integrate nature into my piece? I got the comment to go outside and dance, so I did. I danced all the choreography that I had so far, and I even improvised a little. Afterwards, I journaled, and I learned a lot about my title. I made this big bubble map about how people are inspired by other people. God made this creation, Earth, and Smith was inspired by Earth to create his painting. I was inspired by Smith's painting to create a dance, and somebody could one day be inspired by my dance to create something else, which is crazy. So, inspired by that bubble map creation, I titled this piece, As He Creates.